Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to connect this button to exactly where I want it to go in my course module here in Canvas. Notice that when I click it, it kind of goes where I want it to go, but I really want it to go to the top of the page. And so I'm going to just click modules, and I just generically want it to go to the modules page. So let's go back home and let's click edit, and let's scroll down. Let's choose the button that we want to interact with, and I want to edit this link, and in this case it's going to have a shorter address than what it already had. So let's put this into action and test it and see if it worked. Click it again, mates. Yes, it goes to the top of the page. Perfect. Excelente. Buen trabajo. Good job, mates.